Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another episode of Psycho Belly Speed Shop. And today we're going to be doing a steering wheel swap of my 2010 Camaro 2SS. We're going to be swapping that out with a 2016 ZL1 steering wheel. So it's going to be something different. Hopefully works out good, looks good. And y'all tell me in the comments what y'all think about it. But yeah, without further ado, let's get started. All right, so first thing you want to do before you're swapping out your steering wheel is, of course, disconnect your battery. All right, on these Camaros, the battery's in the back, and you take that out with a 10mm bolt, and make sure that's turned off before you go messing with this. And then, of course, what you're going to start off with is this Allen wrench. You're going to use this, and there's going to be holes right here on the back end of the steering wheel. You'll see them. It's right under kind of like the little side arms right here on the steering wheel. And then pretty much what you're gonna do is use the Allen wrench to go in and press on the spring here on the airbag. And once you do that, you're just gonna press it, and it's gonna pop off. And then you just do the other side. And then so there's gonna be clips on the back that connect to the airbag. And all you're gonna do with those is pretty much just lift up on the top with like a flathead screwdriver and just pull them off after you snap that top off. Not snap it off, but just pull it up. And then it comes out pretty easy like that. Just make sure when you're done with it, be gentle, and then just keep it placed up, maybe in like the other seat. All right, so of course we got the steering wheel right here. Back up a little bit so y'all can see. And we got the wire to the airbag that we unhooked right there. And as you can see, we got the bolt right there, and then the ground wires right there. And I'm pretty sure, yeah, the cable is connected right there in the middle, if y'all could see it. Yeah. But yeah, so we're gonna be taking that off, unscrewing that, and should be pretty good. All right, so with the steering wheel for the bolt, we're gonna be using a T50, and I'm gonna be using a wrench to do it with socket. And yeah, just make sure when you're doing it, holding one side just so it doesn't move on you as I'm doing it, but it shouldn't be that tight to do it. If it is, use a torque drill if we got to. All right, so once you got the bolt out, what you want to do is give it some shimmy and pull, and it should come out. So let's try it. So when we pull it off, just be careful. All right. All right, so we put the steering wheel on. I had my dad help me, and you had to really kind of hit it down with your hands, not hard, but just enough force to where it went down the spline, all good and stuff. And then we bolted it back on. So it's looking good so far. And then now all we gotta do is just put the airbag cover on. So let's do it. All right, guys. So we got the airbag cover. Now we're gonna just put it in right here. We're just gonna hook it up. All right, and we finally did it, man. Ah, looks so good. All right, guys, like I said before, man, this is something different, and honestly, it came out really good. I like it. Again, we can't really afford a ZL1, so this is something that is something I always wanted, and yeah, it's cool to just be able to do. And Hope y'all enjoy the episode. Again, let me know what y'all want to see next. But other than that, I'll see y'all guys next time. And it's your boy Tommy, aka BOXULE. I'm out. Peace.